In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude for life stuff. If you've ever felt stuck on a personal decision or needed a clear, calm way to think through life's trade-offs, the Life Stuff feature in Claude is designed to guide you step by step. We'll walk through the process from opening the tool to submitting a well-framed question, with tips to get the most helpful answer. First, open a new chat in Claude and click Life Stuff below the chat box. This puts you in a guided mode focused on everyday challenges, things like decisions, planning, and perspective taking. You don't need anything fancy to start, just make sure you're in a fresh conversation so the guidance is tailored to your current situation. Next, answer the questions Claude asks. These are simple prompts to clarify what's going on, what you want, what constraints you face, and what a good outcome might look like. Be honest and concrete. Share relevant context like your timeline, budget, or non-negotiables. Keep it safe. Don't include sensitive details such as full names, emails, or financial account numbers. Clear, specific answers here help Claude build a thoughtful, structured response later. Take your time. You can pause to reflect, jot notes, or come back after you've gathered information. Clarity beats speed. If something feels fuzzy, say so. Mention what's uncertain and what you're hoping to figure out. It's perfectly fine to think out loud, revise your wording, or add details as you go. When Claude asks you to describe the problem, that's your moment to lay it out. For example, you might say, I am a 22-year-old who just graduated from college. I have two options: take a stable office job with a steady salary, or start a small online clothing business that has potential but no guaranteed income. I don't have much savings, and my family prefers that I choose the stable job. Analyze the situation step by step. List the pros and cons of each option, consider risks, long-term growth, and personal satisfaction. Then recommend the best decision and explain why in a simple and practical way. Notice how this example sets the scene, names the options, clarifies constraints, and requests a specific kind of analysis and recommendation. Finally, click Submit. Give Claude a moment to process, then review the response. If anything needs refining, ask follow-up questions, request a shorter summary, or have it turn the advice into an action plan or checklist. Save the conversation so you can revisit it as your situation evolves. That's all you need to start using Life Stuff to think more clearly, decide more confidently, and move forward with a plan.